Okay.
All right, I got, I'm changing out my headlights. They come with standard halogen lights, and I'm going to switch over to LED lights. So I get all my LED lights from RPM956. Fred and his people, they always take good care of me. So their lights are good. They got good clean line, and super great guys to work with through customer service. So basically, the install is probably very similar to any other headlight install. In this one, they've got two bracket little clips. Just flip those out. Pull out your bulb. These are H7 bulbs. He sells pretty much any bulb for just about any vehicle. Headlight bulbs, reverse bulbs, inside, dome lights, everything. So alright. So basically you want to just line that up in there. If it's a stock vehicle, a lot of those, they have a twist lock type setup where you just twist it in there and lock it in. The important thing is to make sure that the LED, and I'll show you, is going up and down. So when it sits inside of there to get your best signal or your best light output, it needs to be up and down. If it's sitting any other way, you're going to get a bad light line. You want a crisp line, so you don't want to be blinding anybody or anything like that. So, and then all you got to do is just plug them in and then tuck it back in, and make sure you put your dust cover on. It'll help protect it. When it's super easy with it being out of the vehicle. In the vehicle, I know it can be a little difficult, so make sure that's on there tight. So hit up my guy over there at RPM956. He'll take care of you, and tell him I sent you. Thanks.